Hello, everybody. Alan Del Gallego here from alandelgallego.com. Have you ever had a situation you're working in a very important project, you're on a deadline, very tight deadline, and all of a sudden your mouse runs out of juice? Well, it happens to me today, and it happened to be on Sunday. So the closest store I have to get batteries is about a couple miles away, and more likely it's going to be closed due to the coronavirus thing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get creative right now, and we're gonna do plastic surgery on this battery, who happen to be a AAA, when my mouse is using a AA. So as you can see, the sizes are a bit different, but there is no difference in the battery. This is 1.5, this is 1.5, same voltage, the same power, etc. So all you need to do is increase the size. So we're gonna do that by grabbing a little bit of this tinfoil. You might find it in your kitchen, sandwich that you brought to work, whatever. So what you wanna do is grab a little piece of tinfoil, about this big. You crumble into a little ball. You shape it like a little ball, nice and small, okay? And then you grab your mouse, put it right where the spring is in the bottom, tighten it up a little bit, and then you got your AAA battery and you slide it butt first, and then the head slides in. See what happened? Voila! Now we have power again in the mouse. And just to make sure that does work, let's try it again. Here is my mouse. So mission accomplished. Follow me on the Reds. I'm Alan Del Gallego. You can find me on alandelgallego.com. You can find me on YouTube as a youtube.com/Alan Del Gallego. And keep tuned for more cool, crazy tips. And don't forget to give likes, hearts, wows, anything that you can think of. Share the video. Also leave comments. I like comments. And then based on your comments, I'm going to be developing other tutorials down the road. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.